Today on CG Off-Road, we're going to show you how to add a killer look to the front of your Ram. LED lighting is a great way to change the look of your truck and give it a more modern look. So today we're going to be installing this X-Lume LED black Ram head emblem on our 2015 Ram. This is X-Lume's black Ram emblem with a color-changing RGB backlight. It's designed to directly replace the factory grille emblem on your Ram, and it has an aggressive gloss black finish during the day, but it lights up at night for a killer look. A remote is included so you can choose your desired color to perfectly fit your truck's style. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Tools you'll need for this installation: 8mm socket, 1/4 inch ratchet, 10mm socket, 3/8 ratchet, a trim panel removal tool, a small flathead screwdriver, 1/8 inch drill bit, a drill, safety glasses, and you might need a file. Okay, to install our new LED Ram emblem, the factory one has to come off, and to do that, we need to remove the grille, so we're going to pop the hood and remove the grille. The first thing we need to do for this install is remove this radiator panel up top. Grab a flathead screwdriver or a trim panel removal tool and remove the 6 clips that hold it in place. Get the last clip, then the panel can be removed. Then there's 4 10mm screws that hold the grille in place. With the 4 screws removed, you can now pull out on the grille to release it from its tabs. Okay, we have the grille off and on our table. Removing this emblem can be a bit tricky. There's 4 plastic tabs that hold it in place and some 3M tape. So we're going to use 4 flathead screwdrivers to hold these clips open and then push it out. Now we're going to push on the back of the emblem. And now it's off. With the factory emblem removed, we can see that our new X-Lume emblem doesn't fit onto the grille just yet. What we need to do is use their provided template and drill out all of these holes, and then once they're drilled, it'll make the perfect size for a new emblem. Let's hold the template onto the grille and start drilling the holes. And there are about 80 holes, so this will take a couple minutes. Now that we have all the holes drilled, we're going to connect them all with the drill to make sure this can come out perfectly. Okay, now that the centerpiece is out, we can test fit the emblem. It's a little tight, so we're going to do a little bit of filing to make sure that it fits perfect. Now that you know it fits perfect, wipe the surface right here with alcohol to make sure it's perfectly clean. Then install the emblem and peel off the backing of the tape. And once you get it peeled, push it down and hold it there for 30 seconds to make sure it sticks. Wipe the side of the emblem right here on the back side with alcohol, and these white tabs will get installed on the side right here to lock it in place. Set it onto the grille and then line it up with the emblem. And now this will prevent the emblem from going out the front of the grille. Do the same thing to the other side. Set it on the grille first, work it over to the emblem, and make sure it seats. This grille can now be reinstalled into the vehicle. The 2 screws go on the outside and the 2 bolts go on the inside. All right, now we can wire up the emblem. Okay, we can now wire up the controller for the light. The controller is right here. You just have to match up the wires with their code. The white goes to W, blue goes to B, green goes to G, red goes to R, and then the black is going to go to V+. Grab yourself a flathead screwdriver and loosen up all of the connections. Insert the wire, and then tighten the connection with your screwdriver. Okay, this is what your wires should look like. Now we'll do the 2 wires for the other side. Red is power and white is ground. Install them and then tighten them down. Okay, all of our wires are connected. Now we can run our power and ground wire towards the driver's side headlight. Run your wires into the driver's side fender towards the driver's side headlight. Okay, now you can go inside the driver's side fender and remove the clip to gain access to the access panel. Then you can reach up and pull your wires out. Get the bottom piece onto the middle wire of the connector and then thread the tap on, and this will pierce into the wire, making a connection. Okay, all we have to do now is find a bolt to connect this ground to. If you look in through the access hole, you'll see this 10mm bolt right here. This is where we're going to attach our ground wire to. Now that we have the ground wire attached, we can test the light out and see if it works. Now that we know the light's working, we can reattach the access panel. Then you can clean up your wiring and reinstall the radiator panel. Then your installation's finished. Okay, we got our X-Lume LED black RAM installed on our 2015 Ram, and it's looking absolutely killer. I'm loving the dark green on our truck, and installing it isn't that bad. It should probably take you about 2 hours to do this, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.